Hello and welcome back to Not That Kind of a Channel. As I told you in my last video where I changed my H7 bulbs to LED, I will do a video how these LEDs will look in the dark, especially when you're driving around in on small streets and open areas. And so I did a few minutes ago, so you can see how these LEDs will work in the dark. I think you can compare them to your normal or to your regular H7 bulbs, and you will see, and I think you will see a difference because the LEDs are very bright and their color is really white and not yellow like the other ones. What I really like about these LEDs is that they were very bright on the side, like fog lights. So you can see everything on the left and right side. In the distance, I think they are really good, but not that good as new matrix LED lights or laser lights. But for €100, you get very good bulbs, and I think they are much better and much brighter than your normal halogen lights. I really recommend them because they're legal in Austria and in Germany. So the only thing you need to do is download a form and put this in your glove box and carry around with you. So you have no problem if the police stops you and say, hey, these LEDs are not legal. So you can show them, hey, look, these LEDs are legal, and you will have no problem. The other thing I like about them is you don't get any CAN bus error, so they will work fine on your car. You have not to delete anything or something like that. Yes. So I recorded a short video while driving around to show you how the lights will work. So let's see. So if you like to know how to change your normal halogen H7 bulbs to LED, click the link above, and in my video I will show you how to change them. It's really easy. You only need a screwdriver, and that's it. You can change them on your own, and it will take you for both, I think, 20 minutes or something like that. So it's not a big deal. It's really easy, and I think everyone can do this. What I will do in my next videos is I will show you, as I said in one of my first videos where I added a new key, how to calibrate your air suspension on your own. It's really simple, as I said, and yeah, you can do it with the Gap ID tool on your own, and how this exactly works I will show you in the next video. So if you like that, and if you want to see more of of my Land Rover Discovery 4 or our Land Rover Discovery 4 and how to maintain this car and everything like that. Follow me, and if you like the video, please give some thumbs up. And yes, this is it from my side, and I would like to say have a good day and bye.